today I'm going to tell you about my experience with the Ford Explorer, right? So I just leased like one of the Ford Explorer car, I mean from some of the dealer, and one day the car was stopped working for some technical reason, right? And it was showing some issue related to 12-volt battery. And now I was like a little bit shocked that like this car is new, it's basically like 1 year old. How it's possible that it's showing like 12-volt battery issue? Now I called Ford assistance. They came to me like pretty spontaneously. They took the car without checking the dealer that where the dealer has capacity to repair and everything or something like that. And then I got an email from the dealer that this car needs at least 5 to 6 weeks for repair and everything. And before 5 to 6 weeks, they won't even look for this car. Okay, so it just basically like simply there in the parking, that's all. And now I had a multiple discussion with the other car dealer where exactly like this car was originally leased. And then they said we can only provide you like 2-3 days of the car like without any cost, but like 6 weeks you are like without any car or something like that. And if you want a rental car, that is like they can give you the subsidized price. For example, it was around like I think 50 or 55 euros. Now just imagine that car is under warranty. Okay, it's less than 4 or 5 months old car, and now they are charging me 55 euro, like 50 to 55 euro every day, you know, for a rental car. And they are saying it's going to be 6 weeks repair time. Now just imagine, with 6 weeks of repair time, the cost of the rental period is going to be 16 to 1700 euros.
After 400
it's absolutely nonsense in my opinion. You know, and I had a multiple discussion with the customer care also, Ford or something. They also said that okay, they can't do anything or something like that. Yeah, so the point what I'm trying to say is the reason why I'm recording this video. So you might think that okay, the car is good, everything was absolutely fine or something like that, but the moment the problem like occurs in your car, believe me, in Germany, Ford is absolutely makes no sense, or Ford is absolutely not reliable, I would say, when it comes to the service or parts or something like that. Because it's been 2 weeks now and no one has given me solution. I had multiple calls, multiple email exchange. I have done everything what a simple customer can do. So in my opinion, you can try some German brand or something like which might help you. But looking for Ford in Germany, in my opinion, it's absolutely makes no sense. Yep, all the best. Thank you.